Hey everyone, I'm your health advisor. Your lunch may make or break your whole day. If you've ever been tired around 2 p.m., wanting sugar or feeling absolutely tired before dinner, it could be because of your lunch. A lot of people in the US eat fast food, processed snacks, or meals high in carbs that make their blood sugar go up and then fall. But here's the good news. You can genuinely enhance your energy, help you lose weight, and improve your health with just a few sensible tweaks to your lunch. In this video, I'll give you 5 healthy lunch alternatives based on science that are evenly lots of protein, full with nutrients, and it's easy to make. A healthy lunch should have heavy checkmark protein to keep you full and build muscle, heavy checkmark fiber to help with digestion and blood sugar regulation, heavy checkmark healthy fats to give you energy, and heavy checkmark complex carbs to keep you going. When you don't eat enough protein or fiber, your blood sugar goes up, which makes you tired and want to eat more later. This is why a lot of normal American lunches make individuals feel fatigued instead than energized. Keycap 1 Power Bowl with grilled chicken. This is one of the meals with the most balanced nutrients: chicken breast on the grill, brown rice or quinoa, a mix of greens like spinach and kale, avocado, dressing made with olive oil. Why it works. Chicken is a good source of protein. Quinoa has fiber and carbs that take a long time to digest. Avocado has healthful fats that fill you up. This mix helps keep blood sugar levels steady and stops that afternoon drop. 2. Whole grain toast with avocado and egg. Easy, fast, and very strong. What you need: bread made from whole grains, avocado that has been mashed, 2 boiled or poached eggs. Optional, a sprinkle of seeds. Why it works. Eggs are a good source of protein and other minerals like choline. Fiber is found in whole grains. Avocado has beneficial fats for the heart. This meal helps your brain work better and keeps you from getting hungry for hours. 3. Bowl with salmon and vegetables. A great lunch that fights inflammation. What you get: salmon that has been grilled or baked, vegetables that have been steamed, broccoli, carrots, sweet potatoes or brown rice. Why it works. Omega-3 fatty acids are good for the heart and help prevent inflammation. Salmon is full of them. Antioxidants are found in vegetables. Sweet potatoes have carbs that release slowly. This is especially good for your metabolism. 4. Wrap with turkey and hummus. A wonderful choice for days when you're busy. Things you need: wrap with whole grains, thin slices of turkey hummus, cucumber, tomato, and lettuce. Why it works. Turkey is a good source of lean protein. Hummus is a good source of fiber and healthy fats. Vegetables add bulk and nutrients. This keeps the calories in check while still being filling. 5. Greek yogurt bowl with a lot of protein. Great if you want something light but filling. Things to include: Greek yogurt without any flavor, berries, nuts, or seeds, a little bit of honey, optional. How it works. Greek yogurt has a lot of protein and good bacteria in it. Berries are good for you since they have antioxidants. Nuts are a good source of healthful fats. This meal is good for your intestines and keeps your energy level steady. Mistakes people make during lunch. Let's talk about what you should stay away from. Meals from fast food places that are rich in salt and bad fats. Drinks with a lot of sugar, refined carbs that don't have protein. Not eating lunch at all. These practices cause crashes of energy, eating too much later, bad health of the metabolism. Your lunch doesn't have to be hard to make. When you pay attention to protein, fiber, good fats, whole foods, you will see more power, less desire, more emphasis, and better health in general. This week, just start with one of these dishes. Little things can have tremendous effects. Share this video with someone who has trouble staying awake during the day if it benefited you. And sign up to get more nutrition information based on science. Because what you eat every day affects how you feel every day. If you desire next.